मेरा मसला आज का नहीं है। मैं 2012 में कन्वर्टेड हुई हूँ। 2014 में मेरे निकाह हुए हैं मेरे बैचमेट मुजफ्फर के साथ, जो मेरी और उसकी रजामंदी से हुए हैं।
29-year-old has released a video saying she converted 2 years before marrying her Muslim friend.
हम सारे मुसलमान भाइयों का
दिल से धन्यवाद,
ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का, एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन का, सबके बारे में
धन्यवाद।
2 Sikh women in Jammu and Kashmir were kidnapped and forced to convert. This, according to the Akali Dal. Both women, however, have denied the allegations of force. 19-year-old Manmeet converted to Islam, married a Muslim man. Manmeet tells court that she converted and married of her free will.
She has been married now. She is saying it was with the consent of parents and the girl. Now this entire controversy has been put to rest. There is no controversy, and they are thanking Muslim community here.
Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Har Har Bhole.
2 Sikh women in Jammu and Kashmir were kidnapped and forced to convert. This, according to the Akali Dal. Both women, however, have denied the allegations of force. 19-year-old Manmeet converted to Islam, married a Muslim man. Manmeet tells court that she converted and married of her free will. Parents and community members are unhappy with the wedding, so the police is bringing back Manmeet. Now, Muslims and Sikhs are meeting to resolve this crisis. Sikh leaders claim that Manmeet did not get married at all. The parents now want her to marry a Sikh man. After these allegations, a 29-year-old has released a video saying she converted 2 years before marrying her Muslim friend.
सरदार साहब, आप यहाँ आए, दिल्ली से आए, और आपने बताया शादी हो गई है लड़की की। क्या ये मसला अब खत्म हुआ?
खत्म हो गया।
क्या शादी कब हुई, कैसे हुई, ठीक तरह से हुई?
बिल्कुल जो हमारा धर्म अनुसार शादी हुई।
हाँ, लड़की की रजामंदी से हुई।
देखिए ऐसा है
जी,
हमारे में गुरु ग्रंथ साहब के आगे लड़का लड़की बिठाया जाता है।
जी।
उसके बाद 4 फेरे लिए जाते हैं, पाठ होता है। तो उस पाठ के बाद होता है, अगर मर्जी ना हो तो बीच में भाग जाए।
ये पहले आरोप लगाया था कि जबरदस्ती शादी हुई है, उसका
देखिए ऐसा है, आरोप लगा, जो मेरे को मालूम है आरोप लगाया था ले जाने का, लड़की ले जाने का।
तो शादी नहीं हुई थी
ना,
शादी नहीं हुई,
कन्वर्शन हुआ,
शादी नहीं हुई थी। बिल्कुल, उसको धर्म परिवर्तन के लिए जैसे जो भी कहा गया, लेकिन लड़की ने अपने आप को,
देखिए जब एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन ने अपने आप लड़की वालिदैन के पास सौंप दी, तो शादी होने के बाद तो सौंप ही नहीं सकते थे।
तो ये पूरा कब्जा था, अब आप कह रहे खत्म हुआ है।
हमारे हिसाब से अब ये खत्म हो गया।
तो ये सारा जो विवाद था खत्म हो गया।
हमारी तरफ से पता है, और इस विवाद खत्म के लिए हम सारे मुसलमान भाइयों का,
दिल से धन्यवाद,
ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का, एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन का, सबके बारे में
धन्यवाद।
So the Sikh leaders who have come from Delhi, they say the girl has been now married to a Sikh man in Baramulla, and she has been married now. She is saying it was with the consent of parents and the girl. Now this entire controversy has been put to rest. There is no controversy, and they are thanking Muslim community here because all the religious, social, cultural and political groups, they rallied behind Sikh family, and they say now one important thing is that yesterday Sikh groups were alleging that the girl has been married and was converted, but now they are saying the girl was never married with a Muslim man. That is why she has been there was no marriage at all, and now she has been married with a Sikh man, and now this whole issue has been resolved.
Alright, so there are 2 parallel stories we're tracking here. One of 19-year-old Manmeet, who converted to Islam and married the Muslim man. She told court that she converted and married of her own free will. Now, a second woman, 29-year-old Danmeet, has recorded a video where she says she converted in 2012 and married her friend in 2014. She says she even has a magistrate order that can be allowed, and the magistrate's order, in fact, allows her to stay with her husband. Listen in.
तनमीत मैं हूँ। मेरा मसला आज का नहीं है। मैं 2012 में कन्वर्टेड हुई हूँ। 2014 में मेरे निकाह हुए हैं मेरे बैचमेट मुजफ्फर के साथ, जो मेरी और उसकी रजामंदी से हुए हैं। उसके बाद 6 जून 2021 में अपने घर से निकली। मैंने अपने घर में कॉल भी किया कि मैं अपनी मर्जी से निकली हूँ, मुझे ढूंढना नहीं। और विदिन 2 घंटे में पुलिस ने मुझे लोकेट कर दिया और सदर पुलिस स्टेशन बागात ले आए, जिसमें ऑलरेडी पूरी सिख कम्युनिटी और मेरी फैमिली वहां पर थी। उसके बाद एसएचओ ने मेरा स्टेटमेंट लिया, जो मेरा स्टेटमेंट सिर्फ ओरल ले रहा था। मैंने उसको ये बोला, आप मेरा स्टेटमेंट रिटन कीजिए, आप जो मैं बोल रही हूँ रिटर्न कीजिए। मैं उनको ये बता रही थी 2012 में मैं कन्वर्टेड हुई हूँ, 2014 में मेरे निकाह हुए हैं, मेरे डॉक्यूमेंट्स हाई कोर्ट के हैं, आप एक बार डॉक्यूमेंट्स चेक कीजिए मेरे। और इतना सब कुछ सुन के भी लड़के को लॉकअप में डाला गया था, उसके ऊपर एक्ट्स और चार्जेस लगा दिए गए थे। मैं उनको बार बार बोल रही थी कि मेरा 2012 में कन्वर्टेड हूँ मैं।
Let's go right across to Nazir Masoodi, tracking the details of these two stories very closely. Nazir, what more can you tell us about the stories? One of the girls, it appears, even though she says she married of her free will after a meeting between the Sikh and Muslim community, the Sikh community claims that she was never married and now she's been married to a Sikh man. The 29-year-old girl, we just heard her, and she says that she converted 2 years before even marrying her friend.
Yeah, exactly. There are two cases and there are two aspects of this story. One is legal, second is social and political. Legal status of the story is the 19-year-old girl, she entered into an agreement, she deposed before the court in Srinagar, and wherein she is saying that she has 1 year before she has converted to Islam and now she's marrying to her friend. And there's also a marriage document also, which we have all those documents. And then there's other aspects that there was protest and then police recovered the girl. She was handed over to her family. And there was, this protest led by Akali, the leader, Mr. Sirsa, and he said that there's a forcible conversion at gunpoint and 2 or 4 women Sikh women have been married to Muslim men here. But according to police records and all the records, there have been 2 cases. One of 2012. The video which we have played of one woman of 29-year-old. She's saying he has converted in 2012 and married in 2014. But then there was again a controversy. She was taken to Punjab as well, where even there have been, Gurdwara Prabandhak Committee leaders. They have said they tried to, convince her to come back to their religion, but she refused. So she has been. They are now not talking now about that case, 29-year-old case. But this girl, 19-year-old. After her legal status as a married with other men, which became highly controversial, today afternoon she was married in a quiet ceremony at a Gurdwara in Srinagar. And Sikh leaders here said, as we heard, the leaders who had come from Delhi, they are saying there was no marriage. And they are saying they have resolved this issue with the Muslim leaders and all the Muslim leaders, religious leaders, social and political leaders. They rallied behind Sikh community and the family, and it has been mutually resolved that she will marry to a Sikh man. You saw those pictures at a Gurdwara where there's a quiet ceremony, she married to her. But now it is very difficult to know what the girl says because she is not accessible. She has been kept at some undisclosed location. But the Sikh leaders are saying now the issue is over. They were also apologizing to the majority community here. They are saying Mr. Sirsa had made some very controversial and objectionable remarks, and they say we apologize for that, given the fact there has been overwhelming support to the Sikh community by the Muslims here in Kashmir. That's what they are saying. So on legal side, if we say there are court documents, there's a court statement under 164, but there's a social and political aspect of the story where girl has been married today at a Gurdwara.